Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we, the family of Christ King Convent Senior Secondary School, present before you a virtual program on Independence Day. I hope you all will like it and appreciate the efforts of the students, teachers and management. Once again, I, on behalf of all the Christ King fraternity, wish you a very happy Independence Day.
A beautiful day has dawned upon us, spreading the wings of freedom. At the outset, I would like to convey my heartiest wishes to our Honorable Director, Reverend Father Jose Edapinath, Reverend Sister Principal, and Reverend Sister Vice Principal. Though the dark shadow of the pandemic looms all over, let us ignite the spirit of patriotism and celebrate the much sought freedom, the freedom which was won after a long struggle. This day sings the untold heroic deeds of our brave freedom fighters. We all enjoy the reward of their sacrifices, and the reward is unlimited freedom. I would like to conclude by wishing one and all a very happy Independence Day.
And this is the tuning. Thank you.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कोई रंग तेरा इस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावां बुन बन के मैं खिल जावां इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावां तेरे खेतों में लहरावां इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलिहान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ मेरे वतन तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीब वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावां गुल बन के मैं खिल जावां इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावां तेरे आँखों में लहरावां इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Tagore once recited these lines. Today we celebrate freedom. We celebrate independence on our 74th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to you all. Reaping the blessings of freedom, we also commemorate our freedom fighters who laid down their lives so that we can live in peace. The anguish of our struggle with the pandemic melted down when we stood to the tunes of our national anthem, celebrating our greatest national festival. Today we need hearts of honey and nerves of steel to combat the crisis. Let new India arise, blessed with freedom, persevering and strong in character. Resilience, hope, and compassion is the need of our today. Let us all bind together with the incense of brotherhood. May peace and prosperity ever envelop my nation. May the pride and honor of my country reach zenith. Thank you.
Freedom in our minds, faith in our words, pride in our hearts. Let us salute our nation on 74th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all. The struggle with pandemic did not deter our minds and souls to perfume with national fervor. Enjoying the fruits of freedom, we also remember our freedom fighters. Feeling proud to be an Indian, we pledge to value our nation above all. I, again, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Here are some of my friends who will outpour their feelings.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूंगा मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूंगा जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
India is a cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, the great-grandmother of traditions. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of men are treasured up in India only. India was once used to be known as Soye ki Chidhiya, which means full of resources. The British government captured our nation, used these resources for their purposes, and we became slave of Britishers. After long freedom struggle, we became free and independent nation. Being an independent nation and India's citizen, it is our responsibility to build our nation of pride by doing pure deeds like keeping the roads and society clean, helping the poor, maintaining traffic rules, and value our nation. This year, we are celebrating Independence Day on digital platform by having social distancing and wearing face masks. May God bless our nation and gives us the strength to come out of this pandemic situation. Being an independent nation, India is trying her best to boost the prosperity of its people. India is trying to solve its problems with its neighboring countries. India has adopted the Make in India policy in order to attain the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. It has changed the education policy for the skill development at early stages of a student. India believes in Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, which means whole world is one family. This pandemic situation has encouraged the whole world to think about the betterment of the whole humanity to save the earth. Let us join our hands to maintain the freedom of our country as well as the whole world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे हम मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आओ मेहनत को अपना ईमान बनाए, अपने हाथों को अपना भगवान बनाए। राम की इस धरती को, गौतम की भूमि को, सपनों से भी प्यारा हिंदुस्तान बनाए। नया खून है, नई उमंगे, अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे हम मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।